Hi all, happy evening. So this is day 18 of my GATE CS prep journey. I've posted one short of like 9 hours. I decided to take 9 hours or do 9 hours, but it didn't happen. I mean, a lot of reasons were there. Like I didn't slept well last night. Then some health issues and like something happened, so I did not study for full 9 hours, but I studied I think around 4 hours today. uh so yeah, I mean today I've done only 1 hour of CN with proper notes, and the topic was, I think it contained switching. Like it started from few examples like CSMA TD, then there were few concepts that covered, and control access protocol, channel channelization protocol, these protocols, and then like few examples over that I covered it. Sorry for it. Then switching I've covered, types of switching, and then this difference between circuit switching and packet switching. So this much I've covered, and I was preparing for my job interview questions also. So yeah, I mean I'm going to sleep after this. uh I will study more tomorrow, but that happened today. And yeah, in coming days I'll be starting with one full course. And today we got like we had one session with the mentor, so he suggested us to, and I would suggest everyone to follow standard books, because this is MSQ based question. The MSQ based exam would be there like in coming attempts also, so concept should be very clear. So yeah, try to refer standard books for some like top subjects like OS, COA, then TOC, CD, and algorithms. These subject he mentioned to follow standard books, because MSQ based exam would be there, and you need to be very clear with the concept. So that one thing you might get help with, that I want to suggest. And yeah, I mean I'm going to push tomorrow, because there is, if I'm not slept well, I have not, like I won't be studying like enough, I feel. Yes, or well. So yeah, I mean sometimes it happens, not every day it's same, but then again you need to study. Like your day should not go without studying at all. That's the worst thing, I would say. So yeah, I mean then we'll wake up early tomorrow, and we'll start early, and I'll also post short about it tomorrow, like how many hours I'm going to study, kind of challenge at early, so you can also start that many of hours, and comment down how many hours you put in today. How was it today, like yeah, about your today's day, about studies, you can post in comments. And we'll push each other every day. So yes, I think that's the day for today. And please do subscribe if you want to see me more, if you find me relevant, if you find me relatable. So yeah, it would be great support. Thank you guys for coming here and watching my daily vlog, study vlog, and supporting me. It um, it do like means a lot, because yeah, it's kind of support from people that I don't know, but still they are coming and showing up like on my videos. So yeah, thank you for the people who, like, two people are following me, they are studying me, they are posting me in the comments. So yeah, that means a lot, guys. I just want you to like push whoever are watching this for GATE every day, no matter what they are doing, because yeah, I mean if you want to do it, you will do it eventually. So yes, keep studying and keep working hard, and please do subscribe, and thank you again.